How to record a live program on YouTube TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to record a live program on YouTube TV so you never miss your favorite shows. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Find the live program. Browse the live guide or use the search bar to find the show or event you want to record. Step 3. Add to library record. Select the program or channel you want to record. Click or tap the Add button, usually a plus icon, next to the show or live program. This will automatically start recording the program and save it to your library. Step 4. Access your recorded shows. Go to the Library tab on YouTube TV. Here you'll find all your recorded programs ready to watch anytime. Notes: you can record entire series by adding the series to your library. YouTube TV stores your recordings for 9 months. You need an active YouTube TV subscription to record and watch saved content. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.